My name is Eleanor Pendleton and I am the founder and editor-in-chief of Gritty Pretty. And I live on the New South Wales Central Coast. My husband and I learned about this property through a family relative. We had heard that the original owners were interested in selling the property, and we popped over to have a look and we instantly fell in love. But the house needed a lot of work, but we saw so much potential instantly. So we decided to really turn the cottage into what we considered to be a coastal country escape. We knew we had to take on a considerable sized renovation. The entire renovation probably took about 5 months all up to complete, and that was also in the midst of COVID and lockdowns. My husband and I have never renovated a property before. This was our first attempt. It's been such a joy to see my son run around the gardens, run throughout the house, head out to the backyard and eat all of the berries off the mulberry tree. It's just been such a change in pace and lifestyle, and we really wanted to honour that country aspect. We decided to choose furnishings and things like windows and doors that really complemented that type of style of a cottage. We really wanted to let more light into the home so it felt brighter, fresher, airier. I remember seeing a photo on Instagram of these beautiful French doors, and I did a little bit of digging, went down a bit of a rabbit hole and found out that they were originally from Doors Plus. So I looked up my local showroom and then headed into the store to see what I could find. When I went into the Doors Plus showroom, I was really impressed by the customer service. They were incredibly accommodating and showed us so many different options for what we were looking for in both French doors, but also for a front door. I love that there was such an array of different samples. There was literally a style for everyone, but I wanted something very bespoke. I knew it had to fit that cottage feel, so I really wanted to find the perfect French door. And I love seeing them in their raw form as well. I knew I wanted to paint them white, but it was great to see them as they were, to see all of the different hardware options and to see what could really be dreamed up. When our doors were installed, the carpenter, he was incredibly knowledgeable and helpful. To see him kind of put in the frame and install the doors, it really gave me, I guess, a bit more appreciation for the piece, to see that level of customer service of it having been installed into our home. The end result has definitely exceeded my expectations. It was great to see the products in the store, but seeing them here in the home, they're painted, they look beautiful, and I really think they add so much character to our home. The doors, in particular the French doors, just allow us to have that ability to move more freely from the inside of the cottage to the outer deck. And so we wanted to paint the doors ourselves, and we found the whole process really, really easy. The doors, in particular the French doors, came with plastic on each of the window panes, so we didn't have to mask and tape up every single pane within the French doors, and it made the whole process so seamless. We literally just painted them in our Dulux White Verdict and then simply peeled and removed the plastic, and it was ready to go. The quality of the products that we have got from Doors Plus have been fantastic. We are so thrilled with the results, and we think that they've just added so much character to our home.